there's something called a note pattern, which is pretty cool. And this is the last thing I have to show you. The note pattern is pretty interesting in getting notes in, but it isn't very smart in the fact that once you have them in, it won't update or won't stick to it. So in this case, maybe we would put in a note, I don't know, some kind of note somewhere up here. Call this 12. There we go. And we'll just drop it in right here. And let's say we want more of these in a circular pattern. The way you can do that is up here on your annotation toolbar. You can do linear or circular note patterns. We'll do circular. And once again, choose a circular edge to follow or a circular axis. In this case, it's not going to let me do the edge. No. Let me see if I show my sketch here. There we go. If you can choose your sketch, it will let you do the arc of the sketch. And then tell it which note you want to pattern. We want this one. And we wanted 4 of them equally spaced. That looks good. We'll say OK to that. And there you go. You've got 12 of them. The nice thing is you can later on go in here and edit this. So if we wanted this to be 3, this one to be 6, and this one to be 9, you can do that. But like I said, it doesn't maintain that pattern. So now that you have them in here, you can move them and it will break it. So they're not smart in that regard, but it is a fast way of getting them in there. I could see using this for linear notes if you wanted something like that. So, if you could think of a good reason to use it, it's there for you. All right. I think that's it.